How to create Reasons Bank account online. Let's get started. Launch any of your browser and at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Reasons and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, Reasons Bank, open it. You will be directed to the official website of Reasons Bank. Now from here you can easily create your account. Scroll down, you'll find this section of checking accounts and saving accounts. Go ahead and click on the account that you want to create. For now, I will be selecting checking account. Under checking account as well, you're going to find different options. Live green checking, live green preferred checking and Reasons Now checking. Under that, you're going to find details of the accounts. Now select the account that you want to create. For instance, I will be selecting live green checking account. Once you select, scroll down and you will see the option of open now. Click on it. Let's get started. To create an account, you will need email address, social security number and personal identification. Click on the option of new customer. With that, you will be directed to this page, contact information. Now you have to provide your details, first name, last name, email address and your phone number. After you fill this, click on next. Now you have to provide your personal information that includes social security number, date of birth, employment status and so on. Once you fill all these, scroll all the way down and click on next. In the next page, you have to go through the identification. And lastly, you have to provide your current address details. And with that, your account will be created. This way, you can easily create your Reasons Bank account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.